Hello and welcome back to Ajayasthro Guru, your go-to source for the latest updates and expert analysis on the world of commodities. I'm Ria, and today we are diving deep into a major move we saw in the market, the powerful surge in CBOT soybean oil. On Thursday, we witnessed a significant rally in CBOT soybean oil futures with the benchmark December contract, ZLZ25, jumping by over 2.4 cents to close at 53.87 cents per pound. This was a strong rebound, especially after the commodity had been under pressure earlier in the week. So, what fueled this sudden momentum? There were a few key factors at play. First, we saw a lot of what's called short covering. This is when traders who had bet on prices falling buy back their contracts to close out their positions. This buying action, in turn, helps push prices higher. Adding to this, commodity funds were estimated to be net buyers of 14,000 contracts on Thursday. This fresh speculative interest provided a powerful tailwind for the rally. Another major driver was a sense of optimism around trade and policy. There's hope that a new US-European Union trade agreement could lead to increased soybean oil exports to Europe. On top of that, market participants are speculating that the US Environmental Protection Agency might soon announce new rules for small refinery blending, which could further boost demand for biofuels and, by extension, soil. And we can't forget about crude oil. The energy market provided solid support, with October WTI crude oil rising by over $1 to a two-week high. This was driven by a bigger-than-expected reduction in US crude inventories and positive signs from global manufacturing. The strength in crude oil often gives a lift to soil due to its use in biodiesel. This upward trend wasn't limited to soil. The positive sentiment spread across other oilseed markets. In Canada, ICE canola futures followed suit, with the November contract climbing by over $14. And over in Europe, Euronext rapeseed also saw gains, with the November contract closing higher at €476.75 per metric ton. Now, let's take a look at the bigger picture and what's next. Looking ahead, the market is keeping a close eye on a couple of important dates. We have the USDA crop progress update coming up on Monday, 25th August, and the crucial September VAST-Day report on 12th September. These reports are expected to provide fresh insights into US soybean crop conditions and overall supply-demand dynamics. Any surprises in these reports could add significant volatility to soil prices in the coming weeks. That's all for today's market analysis. Remember, staying informed is key to making smart decisions in the commodity market. If you found this information helpful, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Ajayasthro Guru for more updates. I'm Ria, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy trading!
सोनाक्षी की रसोई में आज की स्पेशल गेस्ट है मौसमी चैटर्जी जी।
ये जी नहीं, मौसमी आंटी।
ओके आंटी मौसमी, तो आज आप क्या बनाएंगी?
मैं क्यों बनाऊं? मैं तो गेस्ट हूँ। आप बनाओ, हम खाएंगे। एक्टिंग में तो हिट हो। अब खाना बनाओ, सुपर हिट।
ठाट से बनाऊंगी खाना, है ना द बेस्ट एवरीडे मसाला। आओ बनाते हैं मसालेदार छोले।
छोले
हर रोज की करी में एवरीडे मसाले, शाही बिरयानी में स्वाद का जायका।
पटल पोस्तो और सर्षे इलिश भापा। साफ मसाले, खुशबू और प्योर झाग, टेस्ट से भर दे हर जुबान पे स्वाद।
एवरीडे मसाले, देश का स्वाद।